Alright, you guys, we're here today with Fetty Potter, the king of skateboards. And no slides and life.
I guess so.
We're here today with a mysterious box, and I really have no idea what this box is. Ambu Board.
So that's
like
why
Amber.
Vinny and Carlos can't skate this, because it's an ambo. It's only for ams.
It's only for... Oh, but Aaron wouldn't be able to skate it either.
No, that's why he's not here either.
Dang.
That's why it's just me and you.
Alright. I said king of no slides and king of skateboarding, but he's also the king of opening boxes. Fetty sent me a Snapchat of him at Smashburger with a milkshake and a
That was my
burger.
first milkshake ever.
Yeah, ever?
Ever.
What do you mean ever? You've
Ever.
never had a milkshake before?
No, it was Oreo. It was so good.
Yeah, cookies and cream milkshake, can't go wrong with that. But it literally looked like the best milkshake ever, and I just want to let you guys know that
Oh, it was
I've
good.
never been to Smashburger, but Fetty has convinced me to want to go. Not sponsored, not sponsored. Hello, Braille Skateboarding. I am a 10-year-old boy from Baltimore. Wow.
It's bubble wrap that doesn't pop.
I don't know, but you should put it on your head like a hat. Oh my god, yes! That's perfect! It's literally perfect. I've been skateboarding since I was 5 years old. Somehow I still haven't managed to perfect my ollie. Dude, he is a magician. I have, though, tried my best to perfect this unique skateboard. With the help of my dad, Home Depot, and some sort of angle grinder, I present to you the bamboo skateboard from Gavin. And shout outs to his Instagram,
Dance Gavin
and his
Dance.
Twitter, and his Facebook, and his Steam, and you can just check that out. Oh yeah. Dude, let me see this.
It's very, very good. Very,
Wow.
very much better than our very.
Because the
first
last one was tied together, right?
The first one was literally tied with like string.
So wait, are there holes already? Oh my god, this guy's nice. Dude. I'm gonna just act like I'm gonna help Fetty, but I'm not letting him do anything.
Look at that.
Wow.
Bam, boom.
Bam! Boo! Allow me to help.
It's
Will
like
this work?
pixie sticks.
We were building this board the other day, and Fetty literally sliced his finger like very deep and just bled everywhere. It was really bad.
There's some Fetty blood.
Oh no. We have some crackage.
Hopefully we don't get bamboozled.
I got you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's in there.
Yeah, that's in there.
I mean, it's cracking, but it seems remarkably stable.
How do you like your bamboo? Pancake?
Oh yeah. We have some separation.
No, that
Exactly.
wasn't good at all.
Wait, what happened? Oh. Dang. The bolt went into the bamboo.
I wonder if this board would float like a raft.
Dude, we should try
It sting like a bee.
Success. Do you think these other ones are gonna be a problem?
No, this one was already cracked, so it just went meh. Kickflip off.
Oh, hold on. Before we kick flip off, let me just. Oh, no.
Don't worry, that was just my leg.
I'm 100% gonna break this. Wow, it is surprisingly poppy.
It's like an actual. It is definitely broken.
See, you know what I think helped? You remember last night when we were skating, when I did the kickflip and I didn't bend my legs at all? I think that helped.
I'm like afraid to break it now.
You got it. Oh! He said, I'm afraid to break it. Goes and breaks it. Oh, it's all right. We just have a little bit of separation.
I'm not doing no slides. I feel like that won't break it.
Prevent slides, protect friends. Is bamboo wood? Or is bamboo just like fiber? Oh!
We've been bamboozled. Welp, I have an idea. Just forget about it.
While Fetty's building this board, I'm gonna tell you guys a story about National Donut Day. So yesterday, we were all hanging outside the Braille house, just talking, having a little break, and Daniel Uzi Walker is like, hey, it's National Donut Day. And I was like, no, isn't it tomorrow? And then I asked Siri, hey Siri, when is National Donut Day? And she told me,
It's today, you idiot.
it's today. And I was like, holy crap, guys, it is National Donut Day today. And then Mario was like, we should go get some donuts. And then I was like, no, Mario. And that's the end of the story.
All right, well, we just.
Is that a problem? Like, you think this guy?
Are you a problem?
I'm. Wow. All right, I'm gonna hit a manual. Wait, what is happening?
I need to read between the lines.
Oh man. Slowly becoming unrideable. What happened? I got bamboo bite.
I think that's gonna have to be the ender, right?
Oh man. Dude, I just felt so
You can't ride it anymore.
It was so fun for a good 3 minutes, and then it killed me. Now I hate it.
That thing just like pops up to my neck. Yeah, I ride loose trucks.
Still good? Yes. What is this? No, seriously, what?
Came from the bamboo.
So bamboos are like onions, and they peel. This has blown my mind. I remember correctly. We just had 2 sticks of bamboo and we had a bamboo sword fight, didn't we? Or is that something else? We did have a sword fight, and I remember you cut my finger and like scarred. Okay, here, Fetty. I'm gonna manual and you just push me. Wait! I'm getting manual first. I have an idea.
Not a good idea.
I feel like a farmer, but like a panda farmer. Wait, the onion peeling is coming from the inside. It's like an inverted onion. Oh my god. Bamboos get splinters. Heads up. That was the worst splinter I've ever received in my life. I would count it, yeah. Yeah. Whoa! It smells like burning bamboo. Let's make a torch. There you go. All right, well, here's what's left of the bamboo board version 2. And now, since there's 2 bolts sticking out and 3 bamboos, this is now considered version 3.
Yeah, we bamboozled it.
You got the nose slide, so that's considered a success.
I did not slide the other one too, though.
I got a kickflip first try, and that feels good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. You can click click your hand on some bamboo over here to subscribe. You can click over here, check out all the videos in this You Make It We Skate It playlist. And if you want to check out BrailleSkateboarding.com, you can click right here for all of your skateboarding needs and desires. And Fetty just hit the mic with the bamboo. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are the best. And check out Fetty on Instagram.
Yeah.